fix media player lagging or crashing in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run Windows Store App Troubleshooter. Let's start with a troubleshooter, which is an excellent tool designed to diagnose issues with certain Windows components, such as applications. Method 2. Install all Windows updates. Windows Media Player can be updated via the Windows Update feature, so if you have neglected to implement the newest driver updates, you should definitely perform the following steps and see if it helps. Method 3. Repair damaged system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Method 4. Install K-Lite Codec pack. If you are running an older operating system such as Windows 7, installing K-Lite Codec pack can resolve your issues with media player. Note that it is best done by reinstalling your GPU drivers first, as explained in Method 4.